How to change your player name in Hole.io game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can change your player name in Hole.io game. It is super easy, so let's get started. First of all, launch open the Hole.io game on your device, and once you're inside this home page, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner and go to the player tab, click on the pencil button and write down a new name for yourself. Once you are done, click save at the bottom of the screen and you have successfully changed your name in the game. You can keep changing your name as much as you like by repeating this step. So right after you do that, you have successfully changed your profile name in Hole.io game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.